Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer PayPal to Security Bank. First, log in to your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will find the option to link a new bank account. Select Security Bank and carefully input your account number and type. PayPal will then initiate a small deposit verification process, usually involving 2 tiny amounts, which you will need to confirm in your PayPal account to complete the linking. This crucial first step ensures a secure connection for your future transfers. Once your Security Bank account is successfully linked and verified, transferring funds is straightforward. From your PayPal dashboard, locate and click on the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. You will then be prompted to select your linked Security Bank account as the destination for your funds. Enter the exact amount you wish to transfer, ensuring it does not exceed your available PayPal balance. Carefully review all the transfer details before confirming the transaction to initiate the withdrawal process. After initiating your transfer, it is important to understand the typical processing times and any associated costs. Standard transfers from PayPal to a linked bank account usually take between 2 to 4 business days to reflect in your Security Bank account. While standard transfers are generally free, PayPal might offer an instant transfer option for a small fee, which varies. Always check PayPal's current fee schedule for the most accurate information. Patience is key, and verifying your bank details beforehand helps prevent unnecessary delays. To ensure a smooth transfer experience, here are a few key tips. First, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified to avoid any withdrawal limits that might hinder larger transfers. Crucially, the name on your PayPal account must exactly match the name on your Security Bank account to prevent rejections. Always keep a record of your transfer transactions for your own reference. Should you encounter any issues or delays, do not hesitate to contact either PayPal or Security Bank customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.